So as you saw in the first two use cases, I'm simply using the cameras to pass their live feed, and I pass the job off to either search or track for an item on a live feed. In this next use case, I can actually set a policy on both of the cameras where if that policy is triggered, it can trigger both of these robots to do a specific action. Now I've pointed this camera at myself, and the trigger in this use case is that if personnel remove their PPE equipment, it will trigger these robots to do a specific action. So what I'll do is I'll go to the dispatch mode inside of the application, and I'll select both of my cameras and I'll press setup. Within this context, I can now set up the policy where I can say if someone removes a helmet, do action 1. Now if I activate this and within the camera view, I remove my helmet, once that it picks up that I'm not wearing my helmet anymore, it will trigger the robot to do an action, as well as this robot does an action. Within the application, I have a notification, and if I open that notification, I actually get a live feed of the camera that's attached to this rover being streamed directly to my user endpoint device, as well as the camera attached to this robot. The camera feed for that one is sent to an external dashboard here.